Okay, so for these knotless braids, we're gonna apply a little bit of Murray's Edgewax, and then we're going to section this small portion of hair into 3 strands, okay? We're gonna start off doing a regular braid like you would if you were just giving yourself singles. And we're gonna grab a small amount of hair, add it on. Okay, you can use a small amount of product, which I just did, and we're gonna braid it around one full time. Once you get back to that beginning spot, you're gonna grab another piece of hair, add it in there. Let's make sure it's about the same size, okay? Braid it around. We're just gonna keep doing the same thing. Try to look past my fingernails. Don't worry about none of that. We're gonna grab another piece of hair. Get a little product. And the product will help the hairs, the natural hair, stay in place a little bit better. You wanna, depending on the look you're going for, it's very important that you tuck the natural hair, okay? So tuck it underneath the braiding hair and the braids will last even longer. If you don't want the braiding hair the color just to show through, then don't worry about tucking the hair. Only tuck the hair at the end of your braid, okay? So we're gonna do another one and just watch my hands, watch my technique, and practice makes perfect, okay?